Guys, please make sure you stand till the end. There is one common mistake that people often make, and that can result into expensive repairs, thousands of dollars in replacing computers, modules. We'll explain what it is, how we know about it. It happened to us back in the day, so we want to make sure you don't do that and don't spend money that you don't have to. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Life. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Charger or Dodge Challenger. If you have one of those and you guys have a problem where you have transmission problems, the transmission shifts hard, transmission guys kicks, you wonder, okay, what causes that, how we can fix it. Now we've seen people where they replace transmissions, even spend thousands of dollars, and they do not think that it could be something super simple, something that is not expensive, and something that most people don't change on time. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. So before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you guys how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine lights, fuses, transmission. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So guys, those new vehicles nowadays, they use multiple modules, computers. These modules, they need stable current, good voltage, and if they don't get that, they start acting funny. And one of those things you may notice on newer vehicles, if your car battery is weak, you can start experiencing, guys, hard shifts, kicking, and all that stuff, even transmission being stuck in one gear. Now, it should work on Dodge Challenger and Charger because they're built on the same platform, guys. But now, 3 mistakes people make, so make sure you stand till the end. Here, guys. Okay, the first thing when you experience something like that, or you get warnings, transmission, engine lights, anything like that, test your batteries, guys. Okay, your battery needs to be tested. And the number one mistake people make. Okay, the first thing, guys, okay, will be super simple. If you really have a easy to diagnose bad battery, that's where things get easy. Okay, you're going to get a voltmeter like most people, check the voltage, 10.55. So that tells us that this battery is short, guys. But now it could be tricky, guys, and that's why you should not rely on the voltmeter at all. Here, this one, check this thing out, 12.77, right, guys? 12.77. And I'll go to the next one here. And what do we have here now? 12.54. So what that tells us, guys? It tells us that this battery is better battery than that, right? Now, that's the number one mistake people make, just using a voltmeter. You need a battery tester, guys. You connect that tester, it takes only less than a minute. It tells us the voltage is 12.78. And if we go ahead and test, okay, test that battery, it's after charge, AGM. That's an 800 cold cranking amp battery. Check it out, nice. It's going to tell us that out of those 800 cold cranking amps, we have only 160, and the state of health is only 3%. So this is really short battery. And when the car starts using more electricity, guys, okay, that battery can start starving, and as a result, transmission may be acting funny too. This one is a 12.58, and this one, guys, is actually a little bit bigger battery, so it's 900 cold cranking amps. And if we test out of these 900 cold cranking amps, we're going to have, guys, 960. This battery, okay, is okay. Let us focus a little bit here. Perfect. This battery is better than new. 960 out of 900, state of health 100%. So never rely on the voltage itself. Now the one in the car here, even though the car starts, believe it or not, some days, okay, now we had only one time it didn't start. It was cold morning, but it kind of like, you may notice sometimes cranking a little bit slower too. It does start 12.58 volts now, and if we test it, guys, Okay, this is a regular flooded battery at 730 amps. If we test that battery, practically is completely depleted. How it starts the car, I really don't know. But you will start noticing things like that. You may start experiencing increased fuel consumption because the alternator will be working harder. This one has 190 cold cranking amps out of 730. It will start the car, state of health 19%, but actually guys, okay, that's causing the problem. Another mistake people often make, let us show you guys here. It's very important to know which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first when you replace battery. If you do the wrong way, if you do them the wrong way, we actually did that back in the day when we first got in that business. We burned a computer, traction control module, computer on Mercedes that cost $2,000. That was back in the day, quite a bit of money. Even today's money, it's big. But you need to know which battery terminal to disconnect, reconnect first. We made that mistake, that's why we made a special video. We'll share the link in the description of the video below, which battery terminal to disconnect, reconnect first. Check it out, guys. If you have Dodge Charger, Challenger, we have videos on our YouTube channels about every single fuse relay. So let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where fuel pump, engine, computer, transmission, fuse relay is located. All we have to do, get on our channel, check it for a minute, replace it, you're back on the road. We're here to save you money, guys. Thank you for watching, see you next time.